Let me ask you something. What would you do if I handed you $100 right now? Would you spend it on dinner, buy a new gadget, or would you use it to make $10,000? Most people would burn through it without thinking twice, and that's why they stay broke. But here's the truth. Wealth isn't about how much money you start with. It's about how you use it. Imagine waking up one day and realizing you've built a $10,000 portfolio from just a single $100 bill. Sounds impossible? Well, today I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at $100 the same way again. The harsh reality is this. Most people never get rich because they don't know how to make money work for them. They trade time for money, spending years grinding away, yet they stay stuck. Here's the scary part. Inflation is eating away at your cash every single day. If you leave $100 in your bank account, in a few years, it might only be worth $80 in purchasing power. That's like having a slow leak in your financial future. But the wealthy, they don't just save money, they make it multiply. So how do you turn $100 into $10,000? Let's dive into the first powerful strategy, but before that, here's something you need to know. All right, now that I have your attention, let's talk about how to flip that $100 into a serious asset. First, let's talk about high ROI stocks. If you invest $100 into a high-growth stock that increases by 30% annually, in 5 years, that $100 could be worth over $370. And if you keep reinvesting, you're compounding your gains. You might be thinking, wait, that's not $10,000, and you're right. But here's the billionaire secret. It's not about single investments. It's about stacking multiple strategies. So let's stack another one on top of this. Crypto is controversial, risky, and insanely profitable if done right. Imagine investing $100 into Ethereum in 2016. Today, that would be worth over $50,000. But hold up. Before you jump in blindly, here's what separates the winners from those who lose everything. The key is timing and strategy. Instead of gambling, use dollar-cost averaging. Investing small amounts consistently to reduce risk. Even if you just invest $100 every month into solid crypto projects, your portfolio could explode over time. But what if you don't want to rely solely on the market? Here's another way to turn $100 into $10,000. Leveraging online income. Start a side hustle, flip items, do freelancing, or start a YouTube channel, yes, like this one. Take that profit and reinvest it into assets like stocks and crypto. Repeat, scale, grow. This is how wealth is built, by turning one small investment into multiple streams of income. But there's one final strategy that truly separates the wealthy from the broke. And if you master this, the $10,000 goal won't just be possible, it'll be inevitable. Albert Einstein once called compounding the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. If you take $100 and invest it into assets that grow at just 10% per year, and you keep reinvesting, in 20 years, that $100 could be worth over $6,000. Now imagine if you added just $100 more every month, that number skyrockets. This is how the rich get richer, not by working harder, but by making money work for them. So let's recap. Turning $100 into $10,000 isn't luck, it's strategy. Invest in high-growth stocks, use crypto strategically, build online income and reinvest. Master the power of compounding. Now here's the deal. The sooner you start, the faster your money grows. Most people will watch this and do nothing, but the ones who take action, they're the ones who'll be sitting on a $10,000 portfolio in just a few years. And if you really want to supercharge your wealth, you need to understand how the rich manage money. Click on this next video to understand how the rich manage money. Don't miss this. It could change your financial future forever.